This video is shot in and around Leura in the Blue Mountains in New South Wales. Hi, this is Maximo and welcome to Maximo's Travels. Today we're in Leura. We drove about 10 hours and over 900 kilometres and we finally arrived in Leura in the Blue Mountains. We had a bit of a break and refreshed and had a walk to stretch our legs and went to the Bunker Cafe and Restaurant. It's set in spectacular gardens and it was a very, very nice restaurant. There was a really nice vibe and ambience at this restaurant. I had ribs and I shared some sweet potato fries with my partner Joe, and Joe had some sort of baked cauliflower dish. Very, very nice. I would highly recommend this restaurant. Also had some very nice wines to accompany the meals. The restaurant is set in quite lush gardens at the top of a hill, and the views of the sunset after the brief storm that we had were truly spectacular. I can't highly recommend both the location and the restaurant enough. And this is the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, quaint Airbnb that we're staying at. We built around the turn of the 19th century. The Bunker Cafe was closing down for a few days over Christmas, so we decided to have breakfast there the very next day. The breakfast was just as nice as the dinner that we had the night before. I had traditional sort of bacon and eggs, and my partner Joe had French toast with berries and a very nice sauce. Again, highly recommended, really nice place to have either breakfast or dinner. After breakfast, I decided to do a walking tour of Leura. Not a very big town, but quite picturesque and lots of high-end shops. I'll let you have a look and you can judge for yourselves. So this is basically the end of town. Straight ahead is the Great and Western Highway. It takes you to Sydney. If you turn left, it's one of the ways that you can go to Katoomba, which is about 5 or 6 kilometres away, less than 5 minutes away, to get you to the heart of the Blue Mountains and attractions. Across the road and check out the other side of the town. It's the Uncle restaurant in the distance. I might have to cross the road at the pedestrian crossing. That is the Leura garage. We went there for dinner just before Christmas. It was very, very nice. Probably go there again tomorrow night. That's what I recommend it. I'll try and do a review.
Sounds going to be hectic.
Leura
Come on, Alex.
garage.
Did you ask? As in a Chinese. Some money to Rob so I can just go and get fries and whatever.
It's the alternate way to Katoomba down there. Try not to get run over. This is basically the other end of the town. It's a country women's association market selling second-hand goods. That is St. Albans Anglican Church. It doesn't look open. And the irony is, I was actually in St. Albans in England about 6 months ago. And here we have St. Albans Church in Leura. Nice church. And across the road we have a reasonably big car park and a reasonably big supermarket, and that is Leura.
They have
So basically the other side of that valley is where the outskirts of Katoomba begins. Now for a short trek to our Airbnb. Later that evening we went to the Leura garage. I've never been to a restaurant where the differences between one night and the other could be so vast. What you can see here is the second night. We had a warm rice salad, which is uncooked and basically unedible, and a saffron roasted chicken, which this chicken was small, overcooked, and not very tasty, and mostly made up of fennel. The first night was fantastic. We had a tomato burrata, polenta chips, and cured salmon, with some rosé and some Badlands ale. The differences between one night and the other were amazing. This restaurant was reasonably priced. I would recommend it. I just caution you to order dishes that you think is appropriate for your own tastes. So this is an abandoned old nursing home called the Ritz. It's abandoned, no one lives here, it looks like in a poor state of repair, and I did pass a sign saying that this whole area is subject to redevelopment. I'm not sure if I can show you the grandeur of the old house, but what can I do? Okay. So there's plenty of old mansions, or I don't know what this used to be, whether it was a monastery, convent, has been turned into a nursing home, but there's a lot of these majestic old buildings dotted around this whole area. The vintage to me looks like it's sort of 1900, 1910. No doubt this will be demolished and made way for something modern. It's a glimpse of the front of the building. spent 7 glorious days in the Blue Mountains. There's quite a few videos to come for this series. On the last day the weather turned. We didn't really do much, just a chance to have some rest before the journey back home to Melbourne. For our last night we drove out to Katoomba, which was a short drive away, through the rain, and decided to have our last meal at the Katoomba family restaurant pub. The hotel was moderately busy and had fairly decent service. I decided to have the rump steak and veg, which is really nicely presented and very well cooked. It was very tender. Joe had the fish and chips and it was, well, just okay. I do hope you've liked this video. If so, please do hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll be posting more videos in and around the Blue Mountains and some of the spectacular scenery that we saw on our trip there. Until next time, bye and take care. And just a shout out to all our new subscribers. We've cracked the 100 subscriber mark, so thanks.